Located at 813 Indian Mound Road in Cartersville, Georgia, we have the Etowah Indian Mounds. The Etowah Indian Mounds is the most intact Mississippian culture site in the Southeast, and it's located right outside of Atlanta, Georgia. If you want serenity, this is the place to visit. Home to several thousand Native Americans from 1000 AD to 1550 AD. This 54-acre site protects 6 earthen mounds, a plaza, a village site, and borrow pits. The site also runs along the Etowah River, a 164-mile-long waterway that rises northwest of Dahlonega, Georgia, north of Atlanta. So the next time you're in the area, visit and learn something about the Indian culture and gain a sense of serenity. Please like, share, and subscribe to Where in the World is Frank and Gina?